Tip 1. Pour eggs over milk to create a super delicious cheese. First, prepare a pot and add 2 liters of milk. We all know that milk is rich in calcium and protein, making it ideal for the elderly and young children. But when combined with eggs, an equally nutritious ingredient, it creates a creamy, smooth, and incredibly easy-to-eat dish. Now I carefully place the pot on the stove, heating it gently until the milk begins to warm up and is almost at the boiling point. No need to bring it to a rolling boil. While waiting, I cracked 3 eggs into a bowl. Add a little salt. Next, I added about 300 grams of natural yogurt and mixed it well with a fork. When the milk in the pot starts to heat up and is almost at the boiling point, stir gently with a spoon. I slowly poured the egg mixture in. Then, gently stir with a spoon to prevent lumps. At this step, there's no need to rush, just stir slowly and observe the mixture as it gradually changes. I often quite enjoy this moment because all I have to do is stand there, stir gently, and watch. After a short while, you'll see the milk begin to curdle, tiny particles gradually separating and solidifying. It's quite fascinating to watch, as if everything is transforming right before your eyes. I continue to keep the heat low and stir constantly for about 5 to 7 minutes. Don't forget to stir gently so the milk doesn't stick to the bottom of the pot as you stir. You'll see the mixture thicken, become smoother, and develop a more defined texture. This step doesn't require any advanced techniques, just a little patience, and in return, as you can see, the milk has curdled into soft clumps, and now there's only one more step to complete it. Prepare a colander with many small holes at the bottom for draining water, then carefully line it with a clean filter cloth. Next, I turned off the stove, gently lifted the pot, and let the mixture rest for a while. Next, I used a slotted spoon to scoop the curdled milk onto a cloth. And now you can see the smooth, creamy egg cheese layers gradually appearing right before your eyes. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Now I carefully wrap it up to maintain its shape, while also helping the cheese to be compressed and become smoother. Next, I place a heavy object. You can use a water bottle on top to squeeze out the excess water, then put it in the refrigerator for about 3-4 hours. Enough time has passed, I've taken it out, and now all I need to do is carefully peel back the cloth. You'll find the cheese has slightly solidified, retaining its shape but remaining very soft and smooth. Its texture isn't as firm as sliced cheese, but rather soft, similar to ricotta or thick cream cheese. When cut open, the inside will be moist, smooth, and slightly crumbly. It's so wonderful that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. When touched, the surface is slightly elastic, does not crumble, and does not melt. Tip 2. Cheese salad. I started with cherry tomatoes, choosing ripe, bright red ones, then cut them in half. After cutting the tomatoes, put them all into a large bowl. Next, I slice the cucumber into thin, bite-sized pieces. I slice the red onions into thin strips. They have a slightly pungent taste when eaten raw, but that very pungency enhances the flavor of the dish. The most important part is the fresh cheese, which I cut into small squares. Its texture is soft, smooth, and slightly moist. When mixed into the salad, it lightly coats the dressing, giving it a mild, creamy, and very smooth feel. Finally, I added the green olives. Now for the sauce, I used olive oil as the base, which is both subtly creamy and fragrant. Add a little lemon juice. Add about 1 teaspoon of salt. Add about 1 teaspoon of pepper. I sprinkled some dried basil leaves on top. Next is chili powder. And finally, add some finely grated garlic. Just a little bit is enough, but it will significantly enhance the overall flavor. I stirred the sauce until it was well combined. Then drizzle lightly over the salad bowl. Then mix very gently so that the ingredients don't get crushed but are still evenly coated with the seasoning. The soft, smooth cheese slices, lightly coated in sauce, blend perfectly with the crisp, refreshing vegetables, creating a harmonious whole. Overall, the dish is vibrant in color and subtly fragrant, a simple salad, yet enough to make you want to eat it again. So, we've completed this incredibly simple recipe using milk and eggs, resulting in a smooth, creamy, and refreshing cheese slice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Your support is my motivation to continue sharing more simple and healthy cooking tips every day. Goodbye and see you in the next videos.